In this example, we're going to be looking at the embedding PHP in HTML file that's in your scripting basics folder and embedding PHP. Now, you can see here we just have a very simple example creating some boxes here. I'll show you how that works and how to embed things. And we'll take a look at having HTML in the page and also without HTML, just having the server-side code. Well, on the server side, if we look at the welcome file, and that's in getting started, welcome.php, you can see here that we just have 2 lines here. Now, this first line, this is actually printing out that page. Like I mentioned, each page or most of the pages there have the actual page at the very, very top that you can just copy and paste and put up here on the address line here. That way you can get directly to that particular file. You don't have to worry about the framed environment here if you want to see what the values are on the query string, for example. Well, if we look at this file, this first one, welcome.php, we go back here and we select that. You see that we have 2 lines here, this and this. Well, that's embedding PHP, but it's not in HTML, it's just in a page. This is all that's in this text file. It's a PHP file here, a PHP extension. It could very well be .txt. When we put .php, we're instructing the web server that has special instructions for .php. It could be .asp. It could be .aspx. Well, that server knows that this is special instruction. It knows that that is PHP code, so it's going to parse it and execute it. Well, the first thing, it has question mark PHP, and that's just how you get things started. That's how you separate the block of code. And then it has anything in between. It could be multiple lines. We'll see lots of code. This is just 1 line, and then you close it with the question mark and the greater than sign. And in order to actually echo something out, print it out, you could use the echo or the print command. We'll see those later as well. But this is just going to actually create some HTML here. You see we have a BR tag for a new line, and then we just put some text. Not much HTML, but you get the idea. And it's all within quotes. We'll explain that as well. Well, that's how you get that to come out. Just text, not embedded in HTML. Well, embedding PHP in HTML, you can see here we have more structure. So we have more HTML code in there, and then we just place our PHP, we sprinkle it in where we need to. It could be as simple as text. It could be formatted text. And, whoops, we can't select that. Well, that's an image. It can actually be an image, HTML code, whatever. It could be a poll in the corner.